All right, here we're going to show you guys how we scarf a chine log. This happens where on a longboard, let's say, where you're wrapping a chine around and you have to join two pieces in order to get the full length of the board. First thing is use a piece of scrap wood, put it underneath your cut so that you're not chewing into your planks. Clamp them together. Take a saw, a nice fine tooth saw, and make a cut. Really any angle, I'd say greater than 45 degrees. We're just going to cut through them both at the same time. Then you join them together. And you can take the cut off piece, put it behind it just to keep them nice and tight. And that's what the joint would look like.